Mama, here's the chart I drew to show the male and female viewer ratio of our channel.
Great job.
But the pie chart looks boring. Can I draw it differently?
You're so eager to learn, Chu. Check this out. Does it meet your expectations? Watch the attached tutorial video. First, we need to add an extra column, temporarily called full, which has a value of 100%. Then, we draw a column chart as usual. Right-click and select Select Data, then switch row column. Next, we will insert male and female icons. We will double this pair of icons. For the first pair of icons, we will color them as desired. For the last pair, we will select No Fill and color the outline. Then copy the outlined female icon, select the 100% value column of the female, and paste it. Do the same for the male icon. To increase the thickness of the columns, I will reduce the gap width. Next, we will copy the colored female icon and paste it into the corresponding percentage value of the female, switch to the Paint Bucket tab, and select the Stack and Scale with option. Do the same for the male icon. Then, perform the overlap. Adjust the value of the vertical axis. Finally, add data labels. Go to the Format tab, select the full series. Uncheck the value and replace it with value from cells. Format the font. That's it.
Thanks, Mama.
You're welcome. I'll do my best to share what I know. I hope you viewers will continue to follow my channel. Every like, comment, or subscriber from you is the motivation for me to keep producing more videos. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. Have a nice day.